Hello. Guess what? Grease is back.
Why, oh why, did I leave Greece and subject myself to this madness?
Grease did not hurt anybody. So all this hype about Grease, some of y'all are probably laughing right now saying, you know what, Grease has always been around. I've always used Grease. I don't know what the big deal is. They just, you know, why did they stop using Grease in the first place? Grease has always been good for my hair. Yes, you are right. You are right. Grease has always been around. If that's the case, Blue Magic, Sulfur 8 would not be in business. So Grease has always been around, but it's been kind of like on the down low because of the fact that it's always been said that it's not good.
Got to get mine, girl.
Well, guess what, natural hair community? It's back. And I use it on my hair, and I've been using it for a few weeks now. And look at my hair. I mean, just from using Grease, it's soft and it's stretchy. It's vibrant, and there's really nothing to be said against Grease. So I just want to say this, that Grease is not bad, ladies and gentlemen. Please know it's not bad. All right, now get on a topic that I want to discuss in addition to Grease. And if you are new and you don't know who I am, I'm Natural A2. I've been on a hair care journey for natural for 3 years. And I've been doing my hair in twists and African threading for all this time. I used to do Bantu knots when my hair was shorter and wear a cap. Thank God I've been free from that. But I'm thinking about taking a new journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm thinking about, what is she gonna do? What is she gonna do? I'm thinking about starting locks.
Yes, girl.
Now, I know some of y'all tried and true subscribers, my star subscribers, many of y'all are saying, oh Lord, what is she gonna do? Many of you might say, wow, that's a good thing. But I wanna hear in the comment section, what do you think about locks? I'm really thinking about it because I think it'd be easier for me to take care of my hair. It's just something I'm thinking about. It's not a decision. I haven't made a decision. There's ways you can start locks. The coil method. I've been doing my research, you know, the twist method, the braid method. I'm thinking about doing the twist method because if I twist my hair in a lot of mini twists and after a month, if I think that it's probably something I may not want to do, I can always untwist. But give me your comments about it. And guess what? I'm still going to use my grease concoction in it because just so you know, I do have a product that's coming in from into my store called Kitty Wild Growth Jelly. And I've been using this. It's a really good product, especially for your little ones, your little kids. It's said to help hair growth. It helps keep bacteria out of your scalp. And it does have petrolatinum in it. I've been using it and it hasn't done anything to hurt me at all. My hair is just loving it. Yes, it's loving this jelly or grease or whatever it is. But anyhow, I just want y'all to know that I'm thinking about this and I need to know, honestly, what do you think about locks? If you think I should go for it or if you think I should just continue to twist. As you can see, my hair is doing really well. And I do give credits to the grease concoctions I've made. Just using it on my hair. It's been keeping my twists frizz-free, soft. And I'm excited. I'm happy. I finally found something that my hair has always needed, but I just eliminated it because of all the hype in the natural hair care community about grease and how bad it was. So anyhow, I'm jumping all over the place, but I just want y'all to know grease is not bad, and I am thinking about doing locks. I don't want this video to go on too long because I want you guys to think about some things. And I am going to be back again next week. Every Tuesday I post funny videos. If you haven't seen any of those, you can go down below. Once you get to the end credits, you'll see my videos, Natural A2 funny videos. So I'm going to end this video with this. I love you all, and I really appreciate the support. I can see my subscriber count is going up, and I'm really happy about that. And if you want to follow me, keep following me, and keep it real. You know, if y'all want to comment, I'll be available to answer all comments, but just keep it real. Keep the love going. And Natural A2, in this community, it's all about love and togetherness. So until next time, guys, just remember, if y'all want to see those funny videos on Tuesday, hit the link down below. It'll give you the playlist, and I'll see y'all next Tuesday. Now, I'll do Tuesday and Friday, so I'll see you next Tuesday. Much peace, much love.